Hey everybody, thanks for joining in again. It's gonna be a great day. Oh boy, I need a shave. Been working too hard. Alright, got some music going. Gotta have a little music. Box number 6. Hope you guys can't see that. Box number 6. Yes! Do an experiment if the manual or the autofocus works better. Right now, let's try this video in autofocus and see if it works better than the manual focus has been working. Empty box. Make that an empty box. Okay. Oh, there's not much in this one. I guess another empty box. Oh boy, another empty box. This is not going to be a very long video. Okay, box number 6, here we go. Box number 6. Let's see here. Why am I so... Let's lower this some. That's too low. I'm not that short. Okay. I can't tell. Is that in focus? I think so. I guess I'll know after the video. Alright. One belt in the box. Alright. Come on. Come on. Belts, come on. Keep them coming. Yeah, Harley, use that one. Keep them coming. Here we go. Looking good. I like the way they're labeled. $13.95. 11-inch lug belt. 1, 2. Oh, this one's a little different size. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 10 more belts. And we have a belt bag going on. The bag system seems to be working great. Bag system, belts. Let me know what size you need. Here we go. Boom. Yeah, I know what those are. Uh-oh, this is liquid. Looks like water. Doesn't look like oil. Why would there be water in a bottle? Water in a bottle? We'll set that aside here. Get it away from all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, okay, whatever liquid it is, it's not going on this table. What is it? What's in the box? I'm looking at it, and oh, I know what it is. I don't know if home machines use them, though. It's a bobbin winder thingy, whatever you call them. It's brand new, too. Wonder what they go for. So I can cut the price. I could just undercut. Open it. I just gotta open it. Because I want to look at it. I've never actually seen one. Maybe I'll keep it for myself. How does it work? Anybody know? How does this thing work? Okay, obviously you put the bomb on there. And then... How do you plug it in? That's a joke. Alright, let's put that back. Brand new in the box. Probably sell it. Alright, what do we got left? Rubber belts. These are very good on many machines. They're stretch belts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, a baby one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I gotta get back to work. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video. Getting back to the request.